This is a power distributor ATM. Input power, output power, power supply, output power PC. Check power fuse when the power goes out. Cable input for connecting power PC, cabling SE.